Hey everyone, so today I know a lot of you guys had a hard time with side angle side, but we get to continue. I know you're all very excited. So we are going to learn today angle side angle. It is the same exact thing as side angle side, but flip it. Now, most important thing guys is the flow. You need to have your side in between two angles. It's like a sandwich. We don't want the meat on the other side of our sandwich, otherwise it does not work. Okay, so gonna go through a problem using angle side angle. Now again, we want the flow, we want the meat inside our sandwich, so then we'll have a nice tasty sandwich. So let's try this one out. All right, so there are my boots. So guys, here is our question. Now here are our statements. I did not write them because I wanted to make sure we had lots of room for everything else. So our first one's saying MT and HA intersect at B. You still gotta write it, even though it's just saying our two lines are intersecting each other. And the reason is because it's given to us. It is a present. Now our second one saying line MA is parallel to line HT. Again, that is another beautiful present given. So remember guys, the annotation for parallel, it's little itty bitty arrows. Now parallel lines give us one thing, and that is alternate interior angles. When you ever get parallel lines, you will get two sets of alternate interior angles, and to find them, you just look for angles opposite of each other. That is it. Don't make it big and complicated. That is all. So when I'm looking here, my one pair of alternate interior angles is angle M goes with angle T. Let's write it correctly, right, Miss Castro? Angle M is congruent to angle T. Reasoning, alternate interior angles. So that is one set. Now remember, like how I said today, so we could keep track of what we have. Yeah, it was gross. That just gave us an angle, so we want to put a little A there. Now that was our one set. Our other set. Oh my God. Angle A is congruent to angle H. And again, the reason is alternate interior angles, and that gave us an angle. So far we're doing all right, but now, so we can't get anything else out of that given, so let's look at one of our other givens. MT bisects HA. Beautiful, it's a given. Now we learned about bisecting today. Bisect means it's cutting in half. So MT is the line that's cutting this line HA in half. So from H to B and B to A, they're congruent. So HA is congruent to line BA. Definition of bisector. Now this gave us a side. Oh, but look, now this is what I mean by no flow. We got an angle, side. We don't want that. We need flow of angle, side, angle. So we need to get something else. So if I look here, we have an angle, we have a side for this triangle, and we have an angle side for this triangle. So that means, oh my God, guys, look, it's an X. We talked about this last class. This is my vertical angle, and we will use this to help us finish this amazing proof. So angle MBH, MBA. Isn't there a part in the song, NBA me feel like a champion, the city never sleep, let me slip you an Ambien? Or is it NBA? I don't know. Well, I'll think about it. And angle TBH to be honest. They're congruent because of vertical angles, and you guys would think you never use vertical angles in your life. You're wrong. So now, this gives me an angle. So if I look, I want to see if I got flow. We got an angle. We have an angle. We got another angle. Angle, angle, angle. Oh, but we got a side and a side. So this angle, M and T, they really don't even matter because we can't do anything about them. Like, we can use them for something else, but right now we can't use them. So we could even just like erase them and make like it never even happened. Now I can say these two lovely triangles, triangle MBA, MAB, MAB, is congruent to triangle to be honest, to honest B. And my reason is angle, side, angle. And again, smiley face because we are finished with this proof. So that is the whole thing. Rewind, fast forward, do whatever you would like. We will go over this in class. You guys could do this. I promise it won't be that hard. Bye.